welcome back to the GC channel. I'm your host, Orlando Casares, the president and founder of First Law International. If you're new with us, welcome. This is a channel especially for you, for the GCs and for in-house legal teams, and it's powered by general counsels. We'll be covering today some of the trendiest topics, things that keep you up at night, and we hope that you will find the next few minutes invaluable and very insightful. So follow us along. So you author an article called Having a Hotline, How to Roll Out Your Reporting Line a couple of years ago. And it was published in HumToon, right?
Momentum, that's right.
Yep. In particular, you're talking about the fact that having a hotline in place that is, and I love the way you said that, you can't have a cold hotline. So it can't be something that nobody knows about or nobody's encouraged to use and what have you. But before I let you comment on this, because I thought the article was very, very well drafted, is that our critics are going to be listening to you and they're going to say, you know, this Big Brother watch whistleblower thing was 70 years ago. Somebody else tried it. It ended up in a world war. It's not a good policy to be peeping toms and eavesdropping on the neighbors and people at work. What do you say to those in-house legal departments, and why is this significantly different?
The one thing I would say is that I think that I actually fundamentally agree with that critique. If you have an environment in your organization or business where people are being peeping toms and you have sort of these people looking to find fault with others and see what everyone's doing wrong, you've got some fundamental issues as a business that you need to take care of. A good hotline doesn't do that. A good hotline does not incentivize people going out and seeking to find fault with their colleagues or to go sort of on these mini crusades to report everything that's going wrong. A good hotline incentivizes your employees to just be aware. Within their current realm of what they're doing, when they come across something, and I want to stress this, our hotline was designed at Vital Strategies not just for something that was illegal or a compliance issue. It was designed for anything that you thought just seemed off. Right? You're in your work. There's something that seems off. You may not know exactly who to report it to, or it may be about your manager. You may not feel like you can report it directly to your manager. You can use the hotline. And you can report that issue and we'll figure it out, right? Confidentially, we'll take it in, we'll figure out who needs to be involved, who doesn't, and we'll see if there's something to that. I think that the hotline is an enabler of that gut instinct. And so often we find today that your gut instinct is often right. Not always, we do make mistakes, but if you feel uncomfortable about something, you may be right. You may not know why you're uncomfortable even. You maybe have a really hard time articulating that. But it's important for companies to have a mechanism that enables someone who feels uncomfortable to say something. And in the NGO and international organization world, it's even more important because you're so often working with individuals who don't have a direct connection into your organization. And so for them, for the people externally, to be able to have an easy way to say, something's off. I saw something that I didn't feel comfortable about is really important, because that's actually the hardest area for any international organization or NGO to reach. Your own employees you can reach, but some of those people externally are really hard. And so the more widely available you've made a hotline or any form of reporting mechanism, it doesn't have to be a hotline, but anything where someone can get in touch with you in a confidential way is really going to enable you to, again, mitigate risk, which is what legal departments, part of the job is to mitigate risk. And so I think it's an important aspect for anyone, any company or organization to implement.
Well, thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button below so that you will be alerted when new videos come out. We hope that you've enjoyed it and we look forward to the next one. And don't forget, You heard it here first.